There's a small detail in one scene from Cars that most people might miss. Watch this moment closely.
Guido E-Fix, you make such a nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take a good care of you, even though you're not a Ferrari. You buy 4 tires, I give you a full size spare.
Did you catch it? When Guido starts inflating Lightning McQueen's tires, Luigi rolls up and starts pitching a discount deal on new tires. At that moment, you can see Guido break the fourth wall. He looks straight at the camera and blinks a couple of times, almost as if to say, "Here we go." Luigi's about to sell him something he doesn't need. Leave a like if you've this before.